Yeah, we're like out of it. Like, we're like really tired. And like, yeah.
Ow.
Don't worry, I didn't kill her.
I'm cold.
No, she's dead. Really tired. There goes my computer. Shush. You shush. You shush. We are so freaking random, you know.
Ow.
Don't worry. I untied this necklace because I found it sexy. I don't know. I think I had too much. I think I had too much. I don't know what I had, but I think I was. Don't you fortune touch it. Don't you give me that look, I'll slip it out of here.
It's like,
Holy shit.
are you videotaping me sleeping, Mother?
No, I am not. Ow.
Oh, is it bleeding?
No.
Oh, that's good.
I think you just cleaned my teeth.
I cleaned her teeth with
Let's
just
see.
2 fingers.
There's my teeth already cleaned.
Or mine.
Okay.
You're mean.
I think we're gonna watch a movie tonight and then possibly fall asleep. Maybe.